happened than I would ever have imagined. He's more resilient, and he's very passionate about saving America.
Do
it.
You do it!
To do it. So, great lesson for all of us. Ultra Pepe Lives Matter says the enemies and foes that come up against us can be used as a way to
Okay, Gorman, save video.
What? You gotta be kidding me.
What is your problem? Red light means stop. Red means stop, then go. Better hope there's no damage to my car. Sorry, what was that?
Why you do that?
Why you throw something at me?
Because you're not good.
Because I'm not good.
Yeah,
You know that's assault?
yeah, you're good.
You okay? You hit my dog.
Oh, saw a car accident right there. That guy ran the red.
Who have agreed to review new ideas. We've been helping inventors since 1984. Let's help you next.
Anyway, I'm just chilling here, got the windows down, listening to some Fat Pat, you know, just doing what I'm doing. No audio cam, by the way, but so that's why I'm doing this audio commentary. And all of a sudden I notice something in my rear view, and I slide over to the left. Thank goodness nobody was there. And I see this truck, man, just barreling down. We're only going 5-10 miles an hour, but I guess big guy didn't have brakes or something and ended up smashing up this F-150 in front of me. Looks like he got him pretty good. Got him on the rear quarter area, I think. Rear tire as well. So now he's in front of him, and so at first I thought, you know, maybe he's kind of drunk or whatever. He just couldn't stop because he kept on going. And I guess, you know, maybe he's just looking for a place to turn off or something. But no hazards on either guy, and see what's going on. I'm kind of managing to inch up closer to him, and I'm a little worried, you know, like, what's going on with this guy. And I pull up next to him, and I'm kind of ducking down because he's way up, and I'm looking at him, you know, and he looks normal and looks like a dude, you know, nothing crazy. And I asked, you know, I kind of just looked at him. He's like, yeah, I'm just looking for a place to pull off, and so I gave him a thumbs up. My truck's fine, so I just kind of just moseyed on along and kept on going. And it was a intense night of driving for sure.
months. The unprecedented thing, tragic thing that happened on Monday Night Football in Cincinnati.
Welcome to New Jersey.
Unprecedented meltdown of an airline. Now this
I'm gonna go call him. Oh, we took a break a long time ago, apparently. So I didn't eat. Just didn't make it to the dinner.
We have a tendency to the beat of the music. I mean,
You never know.